Welcome back to Andrew and Rosie Reps.
All right, guys, we're doing some research for science today. We have two of the knockout collections here. We have the Kyogre and the Suicune. It comes with 2 promos, some fun stickers, and 2 packs each. The packs are Twilight Masquerade and Surgeon Spark. So Rosie, we're gonna rip some packs.
I'm gonna take this.
And okie dokie. All right, I'm going to Twilight as well. All right, Alakazam beats Okie Dokie, so I'm in the lead, but Rosie's up next with Surgeon Sparks.
That's cute.
That's cute. Ooh, terrific goes.
120. That's still in the lead. Mine now is 250.
All right.
Now add yours together. I got 250.
270. I win Rosie's rip. But guys, this was for science. That's what's in the knockout collections, the new ones that are at Target now. So like and follow for more.
Thanks for watching. Bye.